Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Amazing. Can you share with us why you initially decided to go solar?
To save money and to basically the carbonation or whatever that is, so that we're not making the world worse.
Amazing. And that's always an amazing reason for going solar. So thank you for that. Now, were you the first in your area to go solar?
Yes.
Great.
We're out in the middle of the boondocks, yeah.
Wow. And do you think that possibly in your neighborhood at some point in time, more people will start going solar?
They've asked me a couple questions and they're interested, but it's like the initial money, which it was no initial money. It was, it was paid for.
Right. Now, can you share with us some things that you've learned since you've gone solar?
Don't expect to save money right away. I mean, it takes a while, and it depends on your electric company.
Right.
But it does take a little while. In fact, my last bill was $17.
That's great. Amazing.
And 13 of that is my insurance on stuff we have here to fix if it breaks. So it was only a little bit.
Okay. And can you give us an example of what your bills were before going solar, as far as maybe the percentage and difference you've seen?
They were like in the 200s a month. And so the difference in even the bill before that was only 100 and something. So yeah, we save. But that's the exciting part, and it keeps you going.
Right. That's fabulous. Well, thank you so much for your time today and sharing with us the difference you've seen in your utility bill. That's a remarkable difference. And we definitely appreciate your feedback.
Oh, thank you.